I've never really had issues with my ear before, but I actually had a really bad sinus infection that led to an ear infection and got these drops, and I'm going to show you how to use them. Anyone over the age of 2 can use them. So if your child complains of ear pain, this is a really good thing to try using. And of course, always talk to your pediatrician as well. But what you're going to do is you're going to shake it. So shake, shake, shake. For me, it's this ear. And then you're going to add like 4 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm not pushing it too far in there or anything like that. It just drops right in. And then you're going to leave your head tilted. Now for this video, I'm not going to leave it tilted the full 2 minutes, but for a couple minutes, you're just going to have your head tilted, whether you're laying on a pillow or just sitting like this. And that's going to help with everything that it needs to do its job. So I know I just put it in. I'm gonna go ahead and put my ear up. It'll probably drain down a little bit while I'm talking to you guys, but it does give some instant relief, which is nice. This can help with swimmer's ear, with ear pain, and some other things as well, like cold and flu and allergy. You can use it day and night. So if you're looking for something a little more on the homeopathic side, this is something great to try.